Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be exploring the screencast for this assignment, and today I'm going to be talking about the weather for this week. So, as of today, it is 92 degrees Fahrenheit for the high, and for the low it is 71 degrees Fahrenheit with a 10% chance of rain, 64% humidity, and 9-mile-an-hour winds. Monday, the high is 73 and the low is 70 with a 10% chance of rain, 62% humidity, and a 9-mile-an-hour wind. Tuesday, it's around the same, 92 degrees Fahrenheit for the high and 72 degrees Fahrenheit for the low. We have a 10% chance of rain, 63% humidity, and 12-mile-an-hour winds. Wednesday, the high is 91 and the low is 73 with a 20% chance of rain, 65% humidity, and 15-mile-an-hour winds. Now Thursday is looking a little different. We have a 50% chance of rain with the high being 89 and the low being 74. The humidity is 70% and the wind is 13 miles an hour. Friday we're going to get a little bit of rain as well with a 50% chance of rain, 73% humidity, and 12-mile-an-hour winds, with the high being 89 and the low being 74. It looks like we're also going to get rain on Saturday with a 40% chance of rain, 74% humidity, and 12-mile-an-hour winds, with the high being 88 and the low being 74. Sunday, it also looks like we're going to get a little bit of rain with a 40% chance of rain, 72% humidity, and 12-mile-an-hour winds, with the high being 90 degrees and the low being 74 degrees. And with that information, this will conclude my Exploring Screencast. Thank you, everyone.